Please subscribe the
Hello
channel.
everyone. In OpenCV series and using the color space, there is the third color which we are going to use this color space. I have told you that there is the four color space. First is RGB, and second is HSV, third is lab, and YCBCR. So this is in my third series. We using the lab means lightness color channel. Is a the L channel is start with the 0 to 100 is by default. Then A channel, there is a three channel. A channel is start to -28 to plus 127. Its A channel gives us red and green color ratio, and B channel is same, starting -128 to plus 127, and which gives us the yellow and blue color. So first we upload libraries is CV2 and Matplotlib. It's working. Now I upload the image. I am taking the variable image CV2, and I am read means image read, and this is the image path. And one thing I also tell you, I am using the R, because if you not using the R, it give the error, or you use the Unicode, like you use. Otherwise, if you not using the R, then you use the double backslash using the. So that's why I'm using the R, so is no need to use the double backslash. And then I am first we convert into RGB, BGR to RGB. So this is my original pic. PLT, I am sure means it show PLT is my object, and image show. Then I am using the lab. That's why I'm using the same variable lab, and CV2 convert, color convert. Then I am passing the IGB image and CV2 dot color, then RGB2 dot lab. This one I am passing the RGB image, because this is my RGB image, so I am passing the RGB image, and this is the lab, and PLT show dot, I'm same thing. So if I run that, it show this types of, when I convert into lab color space use, so it show the this type of picture. Now is same thing. I am splitting the variable name lab is equal to CV2, and split the where is passed the variable. So we split the image. So that's CV2, then image right used for the display the image is l.jpg, is we passing the argument, and L is my variable name. Same thing I have done this A, and same is the B. It's give you true or false. Now it's working. Now I want to display my image, how it's look. If I am split the image into L, it show like this. Original image is this one. When I convert it to lab, it show like this. Then I split the variable lab, then it's look like this. This one L is show like this image, and A look like this. and B looks like this. So there is a little bit difference between A and B. There is parallel, there is a line, but there is a blur. It looks like a blur. So these are the different images which I split the image. Hope you like it. Thank
Thanks for watching.